Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. Select Rectangle tool. Single-click on Artboard and write width 500 pixels and height 500 pixels. Radius 60 pixels and press OK. Rotate 45 degrees by holding Shift. Again select Rectangle tool and follow the process. Hold down Alt and drag it down to create duplicate. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Change size around 300 pixels and press Enter. Change radius around 40 pixels. Drag it down by holding Shift. Follow the same process and create duplicate. Now delete the shape. Now select the shape. Now select the shape. Click on the layer style and stroke. Size 5 pixels. Position center. I'm using this color code. Now click on Inner Shadow. I'm using this same color code. Angle 180 degrees and distance 20 pixels. Follow the same process with this rectangle. Stroke size 3 pixels. Now click on Inner Shadow. Angle 0 degree. Distance 10 pixels. Hold down Alt, now drag and drop the effect on the another rectangle. Double-click on Inner Shadow. Angle -90 degree. Double-click on Inner Shadow. Angle 90 degree. Select Rectangle, click on File and place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Now adjust the image. Now right-click on the image and click on Create Clipping Mask. Select another rectangle and again click on File and place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Now adjust the image. Now right-click on the image and click on Rasterize Layer. Select Rectangular Marquee tool. Now follow the same process and make selection. Make sure Add to Selection is selected. Now follow the same process and make selection. Right-click and click on Fill. Make sure Content Aware is selected and press OK. Now deselect the selection. Right-click and click on Create Clipping Mask. Now adjust the image. Select the rectangle and follow the same process. Now again click on the file and place embedded. Select background texture and place. Move it down. Click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color, select Black Color and press OK. Select Texture Image and decrease opacity 10 to 30%. Create new layer. Select the Brush tool and make sure foreground color is white. Right-click and change brush size around 650 pixels and hardness 0%. Change blend mode normal to screen. Opacity around 20%. Place it above the texture image. Now create new layer. Make small brush and click on center. Opacity around 20%. Now create again new layer. Make smaller brush and click on center. Send it on the top. Change blend mode normal to screen. Opacity around 50%. Create again new layer. Right-click and change brush size around 700 pixels. Select Eyedropper tool and pick color. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Change blend mode normal to screen and opacity around 10%. Place the flare effect. Change blend mode normal to screen. Opacity around 50%. This is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.